Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve school test questions paper Krishnanagar High School Nodia multiple choice type questions গুলো প্রথমে দেখে নাও। তো 1 নম্বর কৃষ্ণনগর হাই স্কুল নদিয়ার আমরা স্কুল টেস্ট কোশ্চেন্স পেপারগুলো সলভ করব আজকে। The questions that Kalam asked his father was about the relevance of prayer. Half Nelson is associated with the game of wrestling. In the doorway, the train, there was some confusion. Each time the hermit stuck his spade into the ground and he breathed heavily. The leaves of a tree sprout from the leprous height. Ungrowth means bushes and plants. Nature changing course is untrimmed. He takes the lead. Who is he? He is the grasshopper. Drama থেকে Natalia requested Lomov to have lunch. Lomov knows Natalia's family since his childhood. Pretty Pogar means a lawyer who takes pretty cases. Natalia is in her mid-20s. এরপর আমাদের পোস্ট সেকশনে যেগুলো রয়েছে তার মধ্যে how was the condition of the narrator's eye at that time? The condition of the narrator's eyes was that he was totally blind at that time. When and how did Abdul Kalam's father begin his day? Abdul Kalam's father used to begin his day at 4 a.m. by reading namaz before dawn. What made Roger lose his balance? The combined weight of his body and the parts made Roger lose his balance. What was the third question that the jar thought of? The third question that the jar thought of was, what was the most important thing to do? What was the price of the cake Mrs. Jones offered to Roger? The price of the cake Mrs. Jones offered to Roger was 10 cents. Why did jar give reward to none? All the answers being different, the jar agreed with none of them and hence gave the reward to none. How far was the temple from Kalam's house? The temple was about 10-minute walk from Kalam's house. কবিতা থেকে why does the poet ask nature to keep the soldier warm? The poet asks nature to keep the soldier warm so that he does not catch cold. What happens when the miniature boughs are left unchecked? Miniature boughs will grow to former if left unchecked. When does grasshopper take the lead? The grasshopper takes the lead in summer luxury. Why will the eternal summer of the friend of the poet never fade? The eternal summer of the friend of the poet will never fade because Shakespeare would preserve his friend's beauty in the temperature perpetual lines of his poetry. What lies on the soldier's breast? On the breast of the soldier lies one of his hands. Who increase the warmth of wintry frost? The cricket increases the warmth of the wintry frost. How does the eye of heaven sometimes shine in summer? Sometimes the eye of heaven, which refers to the sun, shines very brightly in summer. And then it is done. What is done? In Give Patel's poem on killing a tree, the process of killing a tree is done then. এরপর আমাদের সাবজেক্টিভ বা ডেসক্রিপটিভ টাইপ অফ কোশ্চেন্স যদি চাই প্রোজ থেকে ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন্সটা মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট আওয়ার লোকালিটি ওয়াজ প্রিডমিনেন্টলি মুসলিম ইয়েস দিস ইজ দ্য বেস্ট টাইম খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট আর বিকজ শুজ কাম ডেভিলিস বাই লাইক দ্যাট উইল বার্ন ইউর ফিট এটাও ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোশ্চেন্স Why did the bearded man become enemy of jar? চারটা প্রশ্ন গুরুত্বপূর্ণ, চারটাই পড়া উচিত। এরপর কবিতা থেকে রয়েছে আমাদের এখানে নট শ্যাল ডেড বার্গ দো অর ওয়ান্ডারেস ইন ইজ সেড, এই কোশ্চেন্সটা তোমরা পড়বে। When the frost has wrought a silence, where does line occur? When has the frost wrought a silence and what happened then? এই কোশ্চেন্সটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট, এটা দেখবে। এরপর describe the character of Chubukov as a sensible father, 99% important, আর bring out the significant title of proposal অবশ্যই পড়বে। এরপর চলে আসি আমরা ডুয়াস ডাইরেক্টে গ্রামার সেকশনে। চলো অ্যান্সারগুলো দেখে নাও। I never knew that before, voice change, that was never known to me before. We will soon be at your station, I said. I said that we would soon be at her station. My mother's lineage was more distinguished than my father's. Degree change. My mother's lineage was not as distinguished as my mother's. It has grown slowly, consuming the earth. Split. It has grown slowly and it has been consuming the earth. He received none but common folk. Affirmative sentence koro. He received only common folk. I wish to kill you. Noun from him. My wish was to kill you. এরপর article professions. I was born into a middle class Tamil family in the island town of Rameswaram in the erstwhile Madras state. The water drips from his face. Correct the error. So the water dripping from his face. For writing letter একটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট টু দ্য চেয়ারম্যান গঙ্গারামপুর মিউনিসিপ্যালিটি গঙ্গারামপুর দক্ষিণ দিনাজপুর। তোমরা তোমার মতো সাবজেক্ট দেবে, অ্যাড্রেস দেবে। ডেঙ্গু অ্যান্ড ম্যালেরিয়া স্প্রেড ডিউ টু দ্য স্ট্যাগনেন্ট পুলস অফ ওয়াটার হিয়ার অ্যান্ড দেয়ার। স্যার, উইথ ডিউ রেসপেক্ট, আই অ্যাম অভিজিৎ সরকার, a resident of Rampur of ward number 22 under Gangarampur municipality, and we have been facing many problems from 2 months because of the stagnant pools of water here and there which spread dengue and malaria. Stagnant water has become a breeding ground of mosquitoes, particularly the Anopheles mosquito that carries the malaria and the Aedes aegypti mosquito that carries the dengue. 10 persons including a child and old woman have already been died and many others are hospitalized because of the malaria and dengue, and the best way to manage the mosquitoes problem is to keep the mosquitoes from breeding. Therefore, we are urged to take preventive measures like cleaning stagnant water in our municipality, and this will prevent the breeding of the mosquito larvae. I therefore request you to take proper steps to improve immediately the stagnant pools of water in the entire municipality, and people will always remain grateful to you if the problem is improved. Thanking you, yours faithfully, অভিজিৎ সরকার, ডেট, প্লেস। এই ছিল তোমাদের আজকের এই স্কুলটি। দেখা হচ্ছে নেক্সট ভিডিওতে। থ্যাংকস ফর ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও।